Hi guys, I've got an unboxing for you today. I'm sorry this one's a little bit late. You may have seen this box pretty much everywhere. From what I gather, this is been one of Glossybox's most popular boxes. But never mind, today I'm unboxing the November edition of Glossybox. Now, there's been a lot of hype over this one, and it's probably to do with one item that's in it. But by the same note, I've heard a few criticisms, which I'll come on to say why people have been criticising this box. But anyway, I'm going to treat it as face value, the products, talk about them, what I think anyway, and I'll get on to that. Hello Glossies. This is a leaflet you get, tells you what's in the box. Your emergency supply of hair care, makeup and skincare is here. You're welcome. Our Beauty SOS box includes 5 essentials that will come to your rescue during the busy party season. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, partying away or needing a boost the morning after, these wonder products will revive your hair and skin when you're most in need. This November we are truly honoured to give you the gift of HUDA Beauty. Is it HUDA or HUDA? I don't know. I don't watch her. So I'm going to go with HUDA, but I think that could be wrong. With a liquid matte lipstick to add to your collection, we've also included an extra treat from Chloe so you look, feel and smell sumptuous this season. Don't worry Glossies, we've got your back. So it is the Beauty SOS edition. So this is what it looks like. So undo the ribbon. And, oh, okay, this is what we're left with. Now, first item. Now, there's been a bit of criticism about this. A few people have said this shade doesn't suit, because I think there just seems to be a generalised one shade. And a few people have complained that it's not boxed. So you can't gift it or sell it in some cases, I would think. I don't mind. I don't mind not having extra packaging that I'm just going to end up binning. I do know people buy these in boxes and split them up. You see enough bits on eBay that have been in boxes if you look around. And if that's what you want to do, that's fine. But, you know, I don't really think that's much of a whinging topic. Never mind. So we have the HUDA Beauty Liquid Matte. I can't even see how big it is because it's tiny. Yeah, I'm in the magnifying glass to read that. Liquid matte lipstick in Girlfriend. There we go. That's what it looks like. Bleaching out a bit because of the light, I'm afraid. We're obsessed with this sultry shade from top beauty expert Huda Katan. Her vegan-friendly and cruelty-free liquid matte lipstick is one of a kind, comfortable to wear and is infused with antioxidants and an exclusive complex to maintain hydration. The lightweight, long-wearing formula glides on and the colour intensifies as it sets to a matte, transfer-free finish. You might even forget you're wearing anything on your lips at all. This is a full size and the recommended retail price is £18. Now, unlike a lot of beauty bloggers out there, I haven't actually tried anything from Huda Beauty. So this is my first attempt. Ooh, that's brown. That's very brown. Okay. Ooh, not sure about the colour. I've got to be honest, I'm not sure about that colour on me. It may surprise me, but pigmentation is excellent, but I think it might be just a little bit too brown for me. Never mind, I will try it, at least to snapshot into the brand, even if the colour isn't quite me. I'm going to see, I'll show you what that looks like when it's dried down a bit, because it might change if it dies down. I don't think the colour will suit everybody, I've got to be honest, I don't think the colour's for everybody. But you never know, you never know. If you do like Huda Beauty, the Glossybox Advent Calendar does contain a Huda Beauty, I think it's a highlighter palette it contains. So I've got mine, my mum hasn't let me have it, so I can't even take a picture of it yet. So I will no doubt take a picture when I can and I'll show you. And I think I'll probably just be doing what I normally do on Twitter with Advent Calendars, just unboxing it on Twitter. On Instagram or Twitter or something anyway. But anyway, the Glossybox Advent Calendar, I think it is still available, which I can't believe, because it looks pretty amazing. So I'm really excited about that. Anyway, that's item number 1. Item number 2. Context Micro-Derm Regenerator. So that's that. We love this cute 2-in-1 cleanser with a difference. Using professional microdermabrasion crystals, it gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants also protect cells and fight free radical damage to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's also cruelty and fragrance free. So that's the first 2 products that have been cruelty free, so that's good. And this is a Deluxe Mini. 30 mils worth £6.50. I do look at an exfoliator, body or face, so I'm definitely going to look forward to giving that a go. Microdermabrasion. I've always quite liked the idea of microdermabrasion for like acne scarring and things, but I never had the urge to try it in real life. Like the idea of it, like so many things, but never done it. So yeah, definitely give that a go. Next thing, again, this isn't boxed either, so I think again there's been criticism that this isn't boxed. It is the STYLONDON Eaton eyeshadow palette. This pocket-sized cruelty-free palette has endless possibilities for going out on the town or warming up your daytime look this season. From daytime neutrals to autumnal bronze hues, both matte and pearlescent, this is the only palette you will ever need. Full size, recommended retail price, £9.99. Hello, you can see me in the camera. Right, let's have a look. Oh, yeah. It's a good job I've got nails or no nails, I should say. I mean, a lot of things don't come without boxes done. Ooh, pretty, like that. That is so pretty. Literally, that's really pretty. I can't say anything. That palette has my name all over it. Let's have a look. Let's do some swatches for you just so you can see this. Woo. Pigmentation's good as well. It's just, you can't see. Honestly, this light's just destroying everything. But that is really pretty. Yeah. That's really pretty. I'll definitely use that. The sizes are good as well. You don't want, if you've got too big an eyeshadow, you'll never use it up. But yeah, nice size, and it's a nice compact palette actually. So you could use that for travel and what have you, to get in your handbag. So very pleased with that. That's very pretty. Next. Oh, there it is. I thought I had a missing product for a minute, but I found it. Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate. There we go. Clinically proven and developed by dermatologists, the Balancing Skin Concentrate has a unique complex of green tea and vitamin C to help improve skin texture, moisture radiance, oiliness and skin tone evenness in 28 days. From day 1, 95% of women had smoother skin, and by day 28, 90% noticed visibly healthier skin. What more could you want? Deluxe Mini 10 mils, £5.83. There we go. Give that a go. Next, this excites me. Gotta be honest, love a hair mask. This is Living Proof, which I believe, now I could be wrong, but was Living Proof by the same people who founded Aveda? I could be wrong, but I used to love Aveda. Mainly when it was on QVC in the UK, we used to buy a lot of Aveda. I used to use their Mana Root shampoo at the time, which I don't even think they still do anymore, but that was really good. Anyway, I think it's the same company, correct me if I'm wrong. Well, same founders or whatever. Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. Developed by scientists and hairstylists, this deeply conditioning, cruelty-free mask restores damaged hair and cuticles and moisture levels. Mask repels dirt so you can shampoo less, and it also strengthens hair to become 20% more resistant to breakage. Now this sounds right up my street and exactly what I need at this moment in time. My hair is literally snapping off left, right and centre. I've just attempted to straighten it. Ooh, okay, that's what it looks like. Doesn't really smell that strong actually. Not a huge amount of smell. But no, my hair's snapping off left, right and centre at the minute. So it's not in a good phase. It's having a bad phase. So I will definitely give this a go. Breakage, that kind of impresses me. So I will definitely try that and see how it goes. I wanted to try Living Proof for a while now actually, so it's a good opportunity to try that. And finally, Chloe Extra Treat even. We're treating you to one of these gorgeous Chloe fragrances, perfect to pop in your handbag. And the one I have is Chloe Nomade. Nomade? Chloe Nomade, whatever. A combination of oak moss and freesia that captures the spirit of a woman open to the beauty of the world. They have blurb when they do fragrance, don't they? Right, I've got perfume on, so I'm not sure how well this will work. Whoa! Okay. First sniff, not me. My mum might like this, but not me. Okay. I'm going to have to wait and see if that dies down, but a first sniff, it's very strong. Very strong. It smells a bit aftershavey. Not sure if that's for me, but I'll find someone who likes it. I think I probably would have preferred the original more than that one, but never mind. Right, that's basically what the lipstick has dried down to. It's actually a little bit darker, well, a lot darker than what it's shown in there. So remains to be seen whether that colour's for me, but at least I'm getting to try the brand. What can I say? I think, obviously, in theory, the Huda Beauty is the big selling point of this box. But for me, it's this. I think this is just lovely. I think the colours are beautiful. They're very, very me. Pigmentation's excellent. Yeah, I think my highlight is definitely the eyeshadow palette. Gotta say. So remains to be seen how well that works on me, but you know, it might do. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Right, December sneak peek. Get ready to shine bright this Christmas with this lustrous champagne shimmer roll from Balancng Cosmetics. Iridescent highlighter around and can be used on your face, body and eyes. And that is from Balancng Cosmetics, and that's your sneak peek. So yeah, what can I say? Lots of new things to try. Lots of new brands. As I say, despite the lipstick being the one everyone was going on about, I think I'm most excited by the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette looks lovely, and that is so me. So that's my pick. Also quite excited to get using the Living Proof hair mask. As I say, my hair needs all the help it can get at the moment, so I'm definitely going to give that a go. But yeah, as I say, I don't mind that things don't come in boxes. It's just one less piece of packaging that we really don't need. Obviously, if you are going to sell it on, then I guess the box is useful, but you know, think about the environment, peeps. So let me know your thoughts on this box. Did it live up to the hype? Not sure. Not entirely sure that it did, but it's a good box regardless. I mean, obviously the value's there, and I think that's something that you always look at with beauty boxes. Next time you see me with a Glossybox video, I will hopefully get to show you the advent calendar. But as I say, when I do start opening doors, which I'm so excited about, I will be posting something maybe on the blog and on my Instagram. So let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you really soon with some more content, which will probably be another unboxing. It's that time of year where hauls aren't priority anymore. Other people are priority. But thanks for watching, and I will see you really soon. Bye.